This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and finger so the sensor gets a clean read. First, confirm battery is above 20% and remove loose screen protectors. This prevents failed scans. Then open Settings, go to Security or Biometrics, and tap Add Fingerprint to start enrollment. Use your dominant thumb or the finger you use most. This gives faster unlocks. Once done, make sure the finger is dry and positioning is clear before you press the sensor for the first scan. You now capture the detailed fingerprint geometry by varying pressure and angle to teach the sensor every ridge pattern. Tap the sensor gently, then lift and rotate your finger slightly with each press so edges and center are recorded. Continue through the on-screen progress ring until it reaches full completion. This usually requires many short contacts. Make sure to respond to prompts that request a different angle. Once the phone vibrates or shows completion, you finish by testing the new fingerprint on the lock screen and in apps that accept biometric unlocks. If it works reliably, add a second finger for backup. If you see frequent failures, delete the fingerprint and repeat enrollment, this time emphasizing edge and rotated placements. Make sure the sensor and your finger are clean and dry, and reboot or update the OS if problems persist. One key troubleshooting tip: re-enroll when switching screen protectors or cases that alter finger placement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.